Well, with that, big breaking news which is coming in from the courts, massive setback for the Jamiat-Ulama-i-Hind. In fact, there are details which are now emerging which suggest that the court has decided it will not be stopping the demolition. Massive blow which is coming in for the Jamaat, which had appealed against the bulldozing action and justice which was carried out by the state governments, which was there in Uttar Pradesh as well as Delhi. In fact, the Supreme Court has said that we cannot pass Omnibus order restraining authorities from acting against demolitions across the country. How can we tie up the hands of municipal authorities if they want to act against illegal constructions? This when senior advocate, remember, Gavai, who had appeared for the Jamaat, had raked up the demolitions in Gujarat, in Madhya Pradesh as well as Assam, and had sought a stay on such actions across India. Let me go across to Harish Nair, who's joining us, our legal editor. This is massive because the Jamaat had contended that this was in reaction to the suppression of voices and forces which were standing up against the government. Now the Supreme Court has said if there is illegality, we cannot stop illegal buildings from being raised.
Yes, that's right, Meghna. Remember the petitions in front of the Supreme Court, demolition, that is the so-called bulldozer justice which has taken place at Jahangirpuri in Delhi and Prayagraj and Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. But today, at the end of the hearing, Dushyant Dave, who had appeared for Jamiat-Ulama-i-Hind, said that such action, that is the demolition of private and business properties of those involved in various riots, were being specifically targeted, and those targeted belong to a particular community, that is Muslims, and therefore this phenomenon is being witnessed in various states, not only in Prayagraj and Kanpur of Uttar Pradesh and Delhi, but also in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and also Assam, and sought omnibus direction that such action without proper notice or a show cause notice cannot take place against any accused. No action against illegal construction can take place. But this enraged the Supreme Court bench led by B.R. Gavai, who said that the Supreme Court is not in a position to issue such omnibus order applicable to across the country. This has to be from case to case, state to state, and such omnibus order from the Supreme Court means that we are tying up the hands of the authorities who want to act against illegal constructions. So therefore it is a big setback for Jamiat-Ulama-i-Hind, who had sought such an order across the board, across the country order from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court very categorically said that the matter pertaining to this proceeding only relates to Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. We just cannot issue an omnibus order which is applicable to the entire country, and we cannot issue any direction to the authorities not to act against illegal constructions. So this is a very significant development as far as the demolition matter is concerned. Back to you.